Good morning, all of you. Myself, Dr. Praveen S. Chelagada, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering of Basusar Engineering College, Bagalkot. I'm here to present the Microsoft team for the beginners. So, how the Microsoft team can be used for the beginners, and all the features which are available in this Microsoft Teams that I will be presenting in this presentation. So, the flow of the contents in this presentation is as follows. So, firstly, I will be talking about the introduction part of the Microsoft team. So, wherein I will be covering what is this team basically and why we should use this team. And next, I will be covering how we can install the Microsoft team in our desktop or in our mobile. And I'll also be covering the creation of Microsoft team and what and all the activities that we can carry out once the Microsoft team is created. So that means I will be covering conduction of video classes in the team through a team, sharing of class details, start recording, okay, together view mode, use of whiteboard, PPT sharing, attendance, uploading files, creation of assignment through the MS Forms, and how you can schedule the class as like a Google calendar, and video downloading and editing. Once the video is completed and once it is being downloaded, you can also edit that video in slow motion if you want to, like if you would like to have that. Okay, so then the first part is the introduction part. So where which tells us about the definition of the Microsoft team. So basically, the Microsoft team is an ultimate, messaging app for the organization. Okay, the organization can use this, Microsoft team for ultimate messaging. So basically, it provides the workspace for real time collaboration and communication, and you can also have a meeting through this Microsoft team. So the files and app can be shared in this Microsoft team. Even you can also add the occasional emojis in this Microsoft team, and you can uh, put all these documents or files or video content or audio content in one place, and you can access those all the documents which are stored in the Microsoft team. Basically, it is stored in the OneDrive of the Microsoft team, and you can access all these stored content wherever you are, and at any time you can access this. So this is the one advantage feature of the Microsoft team that it is providing. And the next is why we should use this. So we can use this Microsoft team because of the following advantages. The first advantage is it provides a rich chat with the text, audio, video, and file sharing. So you can have the text chat also, and the audio and video file sharing. So, and the one more advantage of this Microsoft team is that it will have you to have a private chat, or nothing but it will provide you a private chat, so wherein you can develop your own idea and you can share that idea to the organization. Okay, so the there in this private chat, the developer, the Microsoft developer will help you to how you can contribute your own idea into a Microsoft team. So that is there in this Microsoft team, which is a private chat here. So the third point is, so you can store all the files and the documents or the video files or the audio files in one place, and you can access these things wherever you are at any point of time. So, and the last and foremost advantage of this Microsoft team is it provides the integrated app. So you can integrate the number of apps to this Microsoft team, and you can perform your activities according to your will and wish, and or according to your task. So that is one more advantage feature of the Microsoft team that it is providing. So these are the things that the Microsoft team is providing. So now I will just demonstrate how you can use a Microsoft team. It is just for the beginners. how the beginners can use the Microsoft Team and what and all the features are available in this Microsoft Team. So for that, I will just share this desktop screen so that you can have this demo. You can clearly see this demonstration. So just go to this yeah, this setting, general thing. Yeah. So you can see here that so this is Microsoft Team. So before that, I will just would like to demonstrate how you can uh, download Microsoft Team and how you can install that Microsoft Team. That I will just demonstrate that. I just yeah, I will just for that to download a Microsoft Team, you need to go to the browser. I just take you to the I will just take you to this browser here. Any browser, from any browser, even from the Google Chrome browser and Microsoft Edge browser or a Firefox browser, you can download the Microsoft Team. And once it is downloaded, you can install it into your system or into your mobile. So just to go to Microsoft for PC or for desktop. Yeah, just say that. So just what? Yeah. So to download the Microsoft Team, right, you can just say a keyword Microsoft Team for PC download. Okay. So once you click this keyword in any search engine, so you will have these following links. The first link, that is download desktop and mobile apps from the Microsoft Team. You click on that, and let me click on this link, and it will direct me to that www.microsoft.com. So where you will have the Microsoft 365 and Microsoft Team download. Okay, so yeah, you can see here that it is taking me to this link, and you can see that the download Microsoft Team is available. So it is available for two types. One is for the desktop and another one is for mobiles. Okay, so if you would like to download the Microsoft Team for the desktop, then you can click on this button. So if you would like to have the Microsoft Team for mobile phones, then you can click on this download for mobile. So once you click on any one, right, it will get downloaded into your system, and you can install that Microsoft Team. Once the Microsoft Team is installed correctly, then you need to give your credentials like username and password. So once you give the username and password, so this is the dashboard that is get opened. Okay, this is the password that get opened once the credentials are successful. So this is view you will have the dashboard view you will have initially. So the options that you will get in this Microsoft Team as activity, chat, teams, assignments, calendars, calls, and some options like more added apps and help and download mobile app. So you can also download the mobile app from this by clicking on this button. So now just demonstrate how you can conduct the online class using this Microsoft Team. Okay, so for that, so you just go to Team, right? You just go to Team. So you will get displayed with the teams which are already created. If it is not created, so then you can go to these are the teams which I have already created in my account. So such as these 5 teams, right? And if you want to create the team newly or firstly, then you can go for join or create a create team. So which is there at the left top corner, and if just click on that button. So once you click on that button, it will redirect you to create a team or join a team with a code. So if you have already a team code, then you can enter that here and you can just say join team. So if you want to create a new team, then you can just click on this create a team, right? Once you click on this create a team, then you will get opened with the 4 options here. So basically, a team provides an environment for a group of students or a group of people. So there will be a particular group of people so where you would like to conduct maybe a class, or you may would like to conduct a meeting for those group of people, or you may would like to have a project details, or you would like to share a project details to a group of people. So based upon that type of the or group of the people, then so you will be provided with the 4 environments or the 4 types of teams. So such as class, personal, professional learning community, so which is for the educator working group, and staff and others. Okay. So now these are the 4 types of environment you would like to you can have. So I just would say the team environment as class, right? I would like to conduct the class for the student. So therefore, I will just click on the class option. So you once you click on any options, it will ask you the name, right? So you just say MS introduction team class. I just say this MS team class. Okay, so this is the class name. So then you say just next, and the description is optional here. You can leave it or you can provide it according to your wish. So once it is been clicked, then it will redirect you to what are the students that you would like to have under this particular class. So if you would like to add a class created, then you just simply type first character of the name. So if you type a first character of the name, so if the list is already added, then you will get the list of the students here. So you can click on the particular student and you will just say add here. So as of now, I am not adding any students here, right? And then the teachers, as like of the students, you can also add the teachers for a particular class. So if it is a if I say D, start the first character as D, then you will get the list of students who starts with D, teachers who starts with the D character. So you can click on the particular thing and you just say add here. So now, otherwise, if you don't want to, do any students details and teachers details, then you just say skip option. So which is optional, which you can do here. So once you can click on the skip option, so then you will redirect it to these many options, that is post, files, class, notebooks, assignment, one more, and all those things. Okay. So and see here, this is the MS team class is the name of the class, right? So after this, right, according to the contents, I just go to how you can conduct the video classes under this class, that is MS Team class. So there is a at the top right, right corner. So you have the option called as Meet. Okay, you have the option called as Meet. So you click on that, and it will redirect you to the video conferencing. So in this 3 dot, you will have the channel notification, manage channel, get email address, and all those things. So which is not our focus here. Our focus is on conducting the online classes. So therefore, I'll just click on this Meet option. So once you click on this Meet option, then it will redirect me to the video mode. Okay, so here you can give your class channel name, and then you can just say join now. You can just say join now. Okay, so since I have already joined for the particular meeting, I just close this, right, and I will just open the class which I have already created here. Okay, so this is once you give the channel name and once you click on join button, so you will redirect it to this window. Okay, so here in this video class, we have so many options like add participants, show conversation, uh, raise your hand. So while teaching, if students get a particular gets a doubt, then for a particular concept, then he can click on this. He or she can click on this icon, and the teacher come to know this icon, and the teacher can stop for the moment and can ask that particular students what doubt he or she have. So and the doubts can be get resolved. So and you have the other options, which is more options here. So let me click on this more options. So once you click on this more options, you will get the options called as device setting, meeting options, okay, meeting nodes, meeting details, gallery, large gallery, together mode, okay, and full screen, apply background effect, turn on new caption, stop recording, dial pad, okay, and turn off recording. So since I have already started recording, so it is showing me stop recording. So if the recording is not started, then it will display start recording. Okay, so these are the options. The one options I would like to highlight here is the meeting details. So if you click on this meeting details, right, then it will give you the link for the details where you can share it to the group of students, and the students can join to your class by clicking on that link. Say for example, so copy join info is there, so where you can when you once you click on this, then the link will be copied to Clipart, and that you can share it to the students through a WhatsApp group or through a mail. Okay, and there is a join meeting option. So once you point on that, so the meeting link is get displayed, or else if you right click on that, then you will get displayed with the open link and the copy link. So the first option is a copy link, right? I'll just click on this. So once you click on this, it will get copied into your Clipart, and then you can share it to students who are supposed to be joined to your class. Okay, so this is the class details, and then I will also show you the other options like gallery. So and together view mode, together mode. So if there are more than two students are there in the class, and if you would like to see the faces of your student, then you can click on this together mode. So since I am the only participant here, and there are no other participants, so this option is disabled here. So this option is disabled. So if there are more number of participants, then this option is enabled, and you can click on that and you can view. If their video is on, you can view the faces of the participants. And full screen option is also there. So apply background. So if you would like to have a different types of background, then you can click on this option, and see, these are the options which you will get once you click on that, and you can click on a particular thing, and you can just say apply. So I have applied this background here, the this background. Okay, so which you can see now, and I just close this. Okay, and there are so many options which are here. That is stop recording, turn on live captions, dial up. If you have the contact number, then you can have this dial up thing. And as you know, this is for the video, and this is for the audio, and this is hide sharing options. Okay, that is sharing content. Okay, you can share the content here. So now I just I would like to demonstrate how you can use the whiteboard for this, and how you can share the contents. Okay, I just show it to you through the thing. I just stop sharing here, and later now I just go to this. Yeah, so PowerPoint sharing. The first option is PowerPoint sharing. Okay, so let me share, and I have once you click on that, so it will display you this. So if the PowerPoint is already uploaded, then the PowerPoint PPTs are displayed. So or else you can also go to this browse option, And once you go this browse option, so it will give you two options here: upload from my computer or from OneDrive. So if you want to upload from your computer, then you can click on this upload from my computer. Or if the PPTs are stored in this OneDrive, you can click on this option. So it will redirect you to that, and you can so by choosing these options, you can upload your PPTs. Okay, you can upload your PPTs. See, it is directing me to this my. Okay, I'll just do this is in the class. So if you would like to have, or if you would like to share the whiteboard, then you can click on this whiteboard option. So once you click on this whiteboard option, so then you will get enabled. You will get that. You will get enabled with the whiteboard option. So do you want to present or collaborate? So there are two options: present whiteboard. Only you can edit. So if you like, if only you can edit, then you can choose the first one, or collaborative whiteboard where everyone can edit. So just choose that everyone can edit. Okay, and you can see here these are the four colors of pens that you have when you click on the whiteboard sharing. So you can click on that particular color and you can draw something whatever you want. And if you would like to erase it, then just click on the erase button. So then everything is once you do this, then everything gets erased. So you have that text option, add a text. If you would like to add a text, then you can click on that icon and you can type the text whatever you would like to have. Welcome to MS Team presentation. This welcome to MS Team presentation. Okay, then it will be displayed to the students. Okay, and if you would like to add notes, then you can click on this add note button. So if you want to open in apps, then you can have the option these things. Okay, so this is what whiteboard sharing. This is what the whiteboard sharing. Just stop presenting now, so then just go for this. Okay, so this is how you can share the PPTs, and you can share the whiteboard. And there is a one more option, share InVision. So you can do it by yourself. So then after conducting the class successfully, and if the video will be recorded if it is enabled, and you can just click on this leave option. Okay, leave options. So I just demonstrate the other things that you can have here. Uh, I just demonstrate it. I just share this desktop. Okay, just share that desktop. Okay. Okay. So now you can see that this is again theme. Right, I am just demonstrating the other options here. So once a class is being created, okay. So to conduct the video class, we are going for this Meet. So let me demonstrate the other options which are present in this Meet. So in MS Team class, right, the other options you can do is you can upload the class material. So you can upload the document files or PPT files by choosing these options. So if you would like to know the more information regarding this, then you can go for find help and training options where you will get the information and you can do accordingly. Okay. So if I say upload a class material, then it will redirect me to that yeah, I just refresh it. It will redirect me to the my computer. Okay, so if the documents are already been uploaded, then you will just see the documents here. See the class materials which I have already uploaded. So it is been uploaded from my side, so it is displaying my name here. So there are the options here. You can perform the other options like you can delete the already uploaded document, or you can rename the already uploaded document. So if you want to upload it newly, then you can click on this option, upload the material, upload option. And if you want to download the uploaded material, then you can click on this. Okay, so this is if you would like to add other cloud storage devices, then you can click on this. So by default, the Microsoft team will provide you OneDrive storage, cloud storage. So if you would like to have the Google Drive storage, then you can click on this option and you can give the link to or privileges to that. So this is what the file sharing. So you can also post the notifications or something else by clicking on this. Okay, and so if you would like to share the class notes, you can click on this class notes option. Okay, and if you would like to give or if you would like to conduct the quiz questions to students, or if you would like to give the assignments to the students, then you can click on this assignment option, and it will redirect you to create assignment first, and then you can give the descriptive assignment questions to the students for assignments, or else you can create Google form questions, sorry, Microsoft form questions to as a quiz to the students. Just click on that get started. Get started. So once you click on that get started, then you will have the option called as create. So I will just click on this create button. So once you click on this create button, as I said, so you can have the descriptive answers from the students, and you can have the answer conduct the quiz to the students. So my focus is on this. So where it will create the quiz based upon the Microsoft Forms. So once you click on that quiz, then it will redirect me to Microsoft Form page. So which is get opened through the Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, just wait. So these are the already quizzes I have just created for testing purpose. So if I want to create a new quiz, then I will click on this option, new quiz. Okay. And once I click on that new quiz, then it will redirect me to the Microsoft Forms through the Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, you can see that the Microsoft Forms, which is getting displayed there. So now this is the Microsoft form. So if you would like to create a new form, right? I just title this quiz as MS Basics, MS Basics, right? So then it is MS Details, MS Team Basics, MST. So I just click on add a new, right? So if you would like to have a choice-based questions, then you can click on this option, choice-based questions. If you would like to have the descriptive answers from the student, then you can click on this text. So if they want to rate your questions, then you can click on this, and the date option is also available here for the scheduling purpose. So just click on the first one, that is the questions. Okay, the first one is long form. The first question, let give me the first question as full form full form of MS I just give as the first option as Microsoft Microsoft. Okay, and the second option as Minisoft. Right, if I would like to have the one more option, right, then more soft, just options here, more soft. Okay, and if you would like to have one more option, you can click on add options. Then Maxisoft. Let me type this. These are the options. Okay, so if I click this as the right answer, then the students will whoever the students answer Microsoft as the MS long form, then it will be taken as a correct answer. Okay, so if I would like to, then let's the point for this is 1. I'll put the point for this is 1. So if I would like to have one more question, then you can have add new. The question be descriptive. So just if you would like to have this question to be answered by the student, then you can click on this required. So I just take this as just take the question as what is the correct answer. I just put the question as what is the name? Okay, so what is your name? So if your name, let the correct answer be, okay, so I take the correct answer as add answer. You can go to answer and Praveen is my name. If you put this, then whoever students answer Praveen as the name, then they will get 1 mark and it will be the correct answer here. So like this, you can answer the questions here. Okay. So that means you can prepare the Google Microsoft Forms. Okay. So the whatever the themes you would like to have, then you can click on this. Okay. If you would like to preview this questions, set of questions, then you can click on this. Then the students can have this, Google Microsoft Forms in their device. So once they answer, then they can submit the button. Okay. So there is a computer preview and a mobile preview is also there, right? In the mobile preview, the students will have this preview in their mobile if they open through the mobile. So just to go back to this, right? And if you would like to share this, then you can click on share option, and so you will get you will have the link of the Microsoft Forms. Okay, so and you can copy that link through this option, copy option. Okay, just click on this, and once you click on that, it will be pasted to Flipkart, and it will be copied to Flipkart, and you can paste it to my WhatsApp group or to any uh, any Google IDs. Okay, you can send it through the Google IDs. So this is how you can create the Microsoft Forms using the Microsoft Team. Okay, and the one more thing that I would like to illustrate here is the scheduling option. Okay, so how you can schedule the classes. So go to the calendar option. Go to the calendar options. So it is just like Google Calendar. So it will redirect you to the calendar option, and there you can schedule the classes based upon your timetable, and you can view the link to the students. So you can see here in schedule option. So on which date you would like to schedule and on what timing you would like to schedule. So based upon this, you can schedule the classes. Okay. So assignment, as I have already said. So the next option is the activity. So once you click on this activity, right, you will have the feed options where the feed and my activity options. So you will get the activities which are being carried. So there is option called as apps. So if you click on this, then as I said, the Microsoft team will allow you to connect other applications also. So once you want to connect, if you want to connect other applications, then you can click on the apps icon, and it will have it will display the item apps that the Microsoft team is supportable. So you can choose the app according to your desire, and you can connect it to the Microsoft team. So this is how the app can be connected. So in other video, in coming video, I will just demonstrate how you can connect these apps to the Microsoft team. So this is how, and next is how if how you can take the attendance. So you can just go to the participants, and you have the options called as participants in 3 dots. So there is a option called as download attendance list. So you click on this, the Excel file is gets downloaded into system. So as of now, there are no participants who are added here. I am the only one participant. So there, if I click on this, then the download my Excel file gets downloaded to me in my device, and you can know which and all the students are attended to your class. Okay, so this is how the Microsoft team works, and this is how you can conduct the class through the Microsoft team. So I hope this video will give you the information regarding how you can start with the Microsoft team and how you can conduct the online classes in the Microsoft team. So I hope this video is helpful for you in future for conducting the classes. Thank you all. So thank you all. just stop recording.